Hey guys, being in the village is always a very good feeling. You get to enjoy the fresh air and to eat fresh food. In today's video, I'm going to show you a perfect idea of a gift you can get for your folks in the new year or just any time that you feel like. So this set is called Surprise. They are sold by no, they are Turkish or Chinese, the ones that allow you to pay kidogo kidogo. Yes, and here is the set. So it has this tea urn. It also has the hot pots. They are three of them. Yeah, three hot pots. One is so big, and then there are the other two. Yeah, and it also has the six pieces of cups, six pieces of spoons. So actually what got me with this set is the quality. The quality is really nice and it's really durable, and it's also meant for the people in the village because yeah, it is durable. Yeah, like it's not breakable, and they have a really good quality. These spoons are so nice. So guys, yeah, this is what we have. We're unboxing this gift, and I hope that you'll enjoy the video. So stick around, it's a very short one.